So I'm here in the MRT down in Chinatown. It's by entrance A. And I'm over here at this place called KOPI XPRESS. I ate here yesterday and the food was really, really good. So I wanted to share it with you, what the place looks like inside and what you can order. I'm gonna have the traditional Singapore breakfast. So let's go inside and take a look around. So here's the specials menu, Daily Delight, $3.90, and that's in Singapore dollars. Go inside. It's nothing fancy, but the food here is really, really excellent. So here's the menu. It's really inexpensive. Meals are really, really tasty. And this is the help preparing a coffee with evaporated milk. Looks like it's a Thai iced tea, as a matter of fact. And all food here is made fresh to order. It's excellent, excellent, excellent food.
How is the Chin Fan? What is it? This is Chin Fan.
So I'm having a traditional Singapore breakfast of kaya toast, which is a coconut butter, and they also put some egg on between toast. And then I also have these soft-boiled eggs, which I really, really like. I used to add a little bit of pepper, and we're going to add a little bit of soy sauce to it, duck soy sauce, and just kind of mix it around. And then what you can do is, once you get it all mixed and everything, you can take your bread and, let me break it apart here a little bit, and you just dip it in like that, and delicious. You have to try it. Bon appetit, everybody. We'll see you in a little bit. Just gonna enjoy my breakfast.